Hi friends, my name is Anubhav More and today's date is 29 July and today's I am talking about the Java variable and a variable is a container which holds the value while the Java program is executed. A variable is assigned with data type. Variable is a name of memory location. There are three types of variables in Java: local, instance, and static. There are two types of data types in Java: primitive and non-primitive variable. A variable is the name of reserved area allocated in memory. In other words, it is a name of memory location. It is a combination of vary plus able, double inverted vary plus able, double inverted completed, which means its value can be changed. Int data equals to 50. Types of variable. There are three types of variables in Java: local variable, instance variable, and static variable. So local variable declared inside the body of the method is called local variable. You can use this only within that method, and the other methods in class are not even aware that the variable exists. Local variable cannot be defined with static keyword. Second one is a instance variable, a variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method is called an instance variable. It is not declared as a static. It is called an instance variable because its value is instance specific and is not shared among instance. Static variable, a variable that is declared is called a static variable. It cannot be local. You can create a single copy of the static variable and share it among all the instance of class. Memory allocation for static variable happens only once when the class is loaded in the memory. Example: public class A, open curly, static int m is equal to 100, void method, open curly, int n equals to 90, close curly, public static void main, bracket of string arguments array, bracket complete, open curly, int data equals to 50, close curly and close curly. Java variables add two numbers: public class simple, open curly, public static void main, bracket of string argument array, bracket complete, curly, int a is equals to 10, int b is equals to 10, int c is equal to a plus b, system dot out dot println, bracket of c, bracket completed, semicolon, curly close, output is a 20. Widening: public class simple, public static void main, bracket of string argument array, bracket completed, curly, int a is equal to 10, float f is equal to a, system dot out println, bracket of a, semicolon, system dot out dot println, bracket of f, semicolon, close curly, output is a 10 and 10.0. The example of typecasting: public class simple, curly, public static void main, bracket of string arguments array bracket float f is equal to 10 dot f int a is equal to in bracket of int f curly system dot out dot println f system dot out dot println a close curly output is a 10.5 and 10. So overflow class simple public static void main string arguments array bracket complete open curly int a is equal to 130 byte b equals to bracket of byte bracket complete a semicolon system dot out dot println a system dot out dot println b close curly output is a 130 and minus 126. So next one is a adding lower type class simple open curly public static void main bracket of string argument array open curly byte a equals to 10 and byte b equals to 10. So byte c is equal to in bracket of byte bracket close in bracket of a plus b bracket close semicolon system dot out dot println bracket of c bracket close semicolon close curly output is a 20. Thank you.